Hello everyone, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. You're joining me for a multi-part painting demonstration. It shows you exactly how I paint from the very beginning to the very end of a painting. Okay, so this is part 4. What we've done so far is we've laid in blocked in some areas for our center of interest with our accent color of red, which I'm using pink. I'm starting to lay in my dark values, some middle values to kind of flush out the sheet. I'm going to continue putting the middle values in, and then we're going to go in and start to define the center of interest and those sorts of things to get this thing going. All right? Thanks. All right, let's get to it. All right, first thing I want to do here is to fill this out right in here. Maybe this gets yellow-green. I'm going to blend these two together. Work on this. What I want to do now is really start working on this edge right here. I'm going to blend it in a little bit, and then I'm going to start working a little bit of the green into the pink and some pink into the green. See if I can get that blended in a little bit better. I want to keep the values light. Maybe we want some of this down here too. Now I'm trying to make a sort of a transition color here between the pink and the green. We're mixing a little bit of the green with the pink, vice versa. Oh yeah, but awesome. Perk that up a little bit. Some more white. All right. I might actually want a little more pink in there. There we go. All right, let's turn our attention to here. And one might want to do the same thing here. Try to blend in a little bit of a pink and green to have a good transition. What I really need to do is get some of this white filled in. I got to get this white filled in. It doesn't really matter at this point, as long as it's a kind of a middle value green. I'll go back into it in a few minutes and work it out. Feel better when I get the whole sheet covered. What I love about this, mixing the pink and the green together, you can see I get this beautiful neutralized color, right? Pink and the green together, they neutralize each other. Beautifully beautiful. Going to let that drip. Here we go. All right, we're making progress. Slowly but surely, we're making progress. I've got the whole sheet covered. I always feel better when I have that whole sheet covered to get rid of the white. So now I can begin to judge the values against each other, concentrate on making my shapes. Right, so when we get back for part 5, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work on the shapes a little bit, redefine some centers of interest, try to get those a little bit more interesting, and then we'll be close to getting it finished. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.